Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials: the class link, meeting ID and password, then open the meeting app on your laptop. Once done, sign in with your institutional account so permissions match the class roster. Make sure your camera and microphone are physically connected and enabled in system settings. Test audio in the app's device settings. This first step prevents delays and ensures you can enter the class immediately when the host admits you. Click the meeting link or paste the meeting ID into the app, then enter the password exactly as provided. Small typos cause rejection. Once inside the waiting room or main room, confirm the correct camera and microphone in the app's device dropdowns so others can see and hear you. Mute yourself when not speaking to cut background noise. Enable virtual background or blur if you prefer privacy, and use chat or raise hand to participate without interrupting the instructor. Stay until the instructor confirms attendance and any post-class tasks, and download shared files or recording links before leaving to avoid missing resources. Once the session ends, sign out to free system resources and close the app to stop camera access. If you cannot connect, first quit and relaunch the meeting app, then restart Wi-Fi or switch to a phone hotspot. Make sure firewall settings allow the app, and if problems persist, reinstall the app or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.